Rise and spread of Christianity. In this session, we will study about how Christianity was born and what are the main teachings of Christianity. Birth and life of Jesus. Jesus was a Jew, was born in about the 4th century at Bethlehem in Judea. Here, Jesus Christ or Jesus, he was belonged to a Jew tribe, and Jesus was born in about 4th century, and he was born in a place known as Bethlehem in Judea, at present South Israel. His birthday, Christmas, is celebrated the whole world on 25th of December. Every year 25th of December we celebrate his birthday as Christmas. Jesus grew up in Nazareth in Galilee. He was born in Bethlehem and later he grew up in Nazareth in Galilee in North Israel. Jesus' mother is known as Mary and his father is Joseph. Mother Mary and Joseph, although they were very poor, they were descendant from Israel's most famous king, David. King David was one of the greatest king once upon a time in Israel. From his family, this Joseph and Mother Mary, Jesus was born. In his early 30s, when Jesus was at 30 years, along with his selected disciples, Jesus traveled from village to village, teaching, preaching, and healing the sick people. When Jesus was at 30 years, he and his disciples, 12 disciples, they traveled from village to village in Israel and they taught the people about the kingdom of God, and also Jesus with his power healed the sick people. Next, Jesus' opposition with Jewish leaders and his crucifixion. Here, Jesus' emphasis was on moral sincerity rather than on people following religious rituals coming down the ages. As Jesus grew up, he had many enemies also, because Jesus was he emphasized on moral sincerity, not the religious traditions which were followed from the early days. This was frowned upon by some of the Jewish scholars who feared that his teachings might lead to disregard for the authority of the law. Because of the teachings of Jesus, some Jewish scholars, they got frightened. Why they were frightened? Because whatever the traditions and customs people were following it might get stopped and they may lose the popularity, and because of this fear they put a blame on Jesus. Third one, Jesus was fearless as he criticized the actions of those Jewish leaders whom he considered to be corrupt and evil. Jesus, he was always fearless. Whatever the wrong things, he on the spot and face to face he used to criticize. And because of this what happened, Jewish leaders, they became enemy of Jesus. The most important thing, the chief priest along with his high priest Caiaphas, after plotting and planning against Jesus, they arrested and put him in chains and handed over him to Pontius Pilate, who was the Roman governor. The people, the priest and Jewish leaders put a blame on Jesus and they arrested him and handed him over to Pontius Pilate. This Pontius Pilate, he was a governor general of Roman ruler. Next, what happened? These Jewish leaders who handed Jesus to Pontius Pilate, next what they did to him? They whipped, beaten, spat upon by the Roman soldiers all the way. Jesus was dragged to a place called Golgotha, and there he was crucified. After handing over Jesus to the Pontius Pilate, they had beaten him all the way to Golgotha. They dragged him to the Golgotha by putting the cross on him. He was put to death on a Friday. On the cross on Golgotha, he was put crucified on the cross. On that day was a Friday, and that day now it is known as Good Friday, because on that day Jesus gave up his life for the good of mankind. Even though Jesus died on that day, but his death became good to the mankind. That's why we call it as a Good Friday. It is written in the Holy Bible that on the third day, that is Sunday, Jesus rose or was resurrected from the dead. This resurrection of Jesus is celebrated as Easter Sunday every year in March or April. In the Bible it is written that after Jesus was crucified on Good Friday, third day on Sunday, Jesus once again he came to life. He was resurrected, and this event of Jesus from death to life is known as Easter or Easter Sunday, and this event is celebrated every year by the Christians in March or in April.